Okay, so in our wonderful game of AFL, there are two ways to catch the ball. Well, properly. You've seen lots of magnificent things, I'm sure. But one of them is to take a chest mark. Okay, and if you're running towards the ball and the ball's coming towards you, you can judge it as a chest mark. Then what you would be doing is, we call it lowering the drawbridge. So you'd be running, you would lower the drawbridge, my elbows would be out the side, the ball would come towards that drawbridge, and you would close the drawbridge and trap the ball as a chest mark. Okay, so all I want you to do is put one song on, throw up the ball, take a chest mark. Okay, you can absorb the force of the ball against by bending your knees and just curling yourself in towards the ball. The other way you can do it is we can take an overhead mark. Now, an overhead mark, like all catching of balls, is when a ball is coming high and you think you can't take a chest mark because it's going to go over the top, so you're going to have to take your hands up for an overhead mark. Now, when we do that, it's the same with all catching. We make a nice big glove with our two hands and we watch the ball through this space into our hands, and our fingers will come and curl around it. Okay, so it comes up in the air, come out in front, and that takes it like that. Okay, up in the air and watch it through to catch it for an overhead mark. So for one song, I want you to practice by flipping the ball up in the air, woo, and taking a chest mark, and flipping the ball up in the air and taking an overhead mark. Okay, 10 of each, keep repeating until the song finishes. Okay, if you're someone who's playing lots of our football, you can kick it up to yourself, take some chest and overhead marks, otherwise you can just spin the ball. All right, get familiar with a ball today that looks a bit like this. If you don't have one, any ball will do, taking that chest mark and then taking that overhead mark, nice and solid. See if you can get 10 in a row with those catches. Good job.